To create calling search space, browse to call routing. Expand class of control submenu and click on calling search space. Click on add new button. Enter the CSS name. The name can comprise up to 50 alphanumeric characters. Enter the description. The description can include up to 50 characters. Choose a partition in the available partitions list box and add it to the selected partitions list box by clicking the arrow button between the two list boxes. To add a range of partitions at once, click the first partition in the range, then hold down the Shift key while clicking the last partition in the range. Click the arrow button between the two list boxes to add the range of partitions. To add multiple partitions that are not contiguous, hold down the Control key while clicking multiple partitions. Click the arrow button between the two list boxes to add the chosen partitions. To change the priority of a partition, choose a partition name in the selected partitions list box. Move the partition up or down in the list by clicking the arrows on the right side of the list box. Click on Save and verify it is added successfully. To verify, type in the CSS name and click on Find. CSS can be assigned to a line, phone, gateway, trunk, or even a translation pattern. The length of the partition names limits the maximum number of partitions that can be added to a calling search space. The following table provides examples of the maximum number of partitions that can be added to a calling search space if partition names are of fixed length.